Hello class, this is Dr. Mark Rajoy again. Today we're bundling 4 chapters which are very straightforward into one presentation. And these chapters are operation, technology, planning, management and organization, and social responsibility and community involvement. In operation chapter, basically, you should not spend more than maybe a page or half a page of your business plan, how a company is run. Simple as that. In technology planning, these days a lot of companies use latest software to make sure they can reach their audience. So you have to look at what type of software or technology planning that you need. And on management and organization is basically which you guys are the founder and manager of your company. So basically, very briefly, maybe in half a page, explain who you guys are and a little information about your background. Not a lot, just very basic. And the last chapter is social responsibility and community involvement. A lot of companies are involved with community for being a good citizen. And I recommend you, if you form a company, if it's possible for you to be involved with the community and try to give back to the community that you're serving. Following this introduction, you're going to see PowerPoint presentation of this 4 chapter in sequence from Abrams' book. Thank you.
Chapter 11. Operations. Operations include facilities, production planning, inventory management, supply, distribution, order fulfillment, research and development, financial control. As part of a business plan, this section is not intended to be an operations manual. Facilities. Specific points to consider in facilities worksheet are: location. Include company headquarters, retail stores, branch offices, additional plants, distribution centers, etc. Lease. What are the terms and length of the lease? Do you pay straight rent or rent plus a percentage of gross or net profits? Improvements. What additions, such as walls, signage, or utility hookups, have been made to the property, or remain to be made? Utilities or maintenance. Include the costs of gas, water, and electricity. Production planning. The aspects to be covered in production worksheet are: labor or variable labor. What kinds of and how many employees do you require to produce your product or service? Productivity. Measures how long and how many people it requires to produce your product or service. Capacity. Capacity is the measure of how much work your current facilities, labor force, and equipment can handle. Quality control. All the various measures you take to ensure that you maintain the same standards with each product or service. Equipment and furniture. Include manufacturing equipment, transportation vehicles, store fixtures, and office equipment, and furniture. Supply or materials considerations. Cost of goods. Reliability of suppliers. More than one supplier. Additional costs. Terms. Distribution considerations. How does product get to consumer? Names and numbers of distribution companies. Effectiveness and reputation of distributors. Terms. Alternative distribution methods. Other operational issues. Regulation. Insurance. Legal issues. Health and safety. Environmental issues. Startup costs. Not included in income statement but affect the amount of money needed to be raised to start your business. IRS treatment. Some costs must be depreciated over a number of years rather than expensed in the first year of business. Prepare the startup costs. Enter the actual or projected costs to get your business underway. If using the electronic financial worksheets, some of these expenses will automatically get transferred to the balance sheet. On-screen sample Microsoft Excel worksheet show the startup costs. Chapter 12. Technology Plan. Why a technology plan? Decisions now may be difficult or expensive to change later. Good technology can give company a competitive edge. Inappropriate technologies can be cumbersome, inhibit growth. Choices may be confusing. Some of the technology uses, where common business utilize these technology include industry-specific equipment and/or software, financial or accounting software, database, customer management, inventory control, order tracking, production planning. Choosing technology. Key issues when choosing technology include functions, ease of use, cost, security, ability to upgrade and expand, integration with existing data, technology. Prepare the technology budget. Enter the anticipated or actual costs of hardware, software, telecommunications, and other technology expenses. If using the electronic financial worksheets, these expenses or purchases will automatically be entered on your income statement, cash flow, and balance sheet worksheets. On-screen sample Excel worksheet shows the technology budget for the years 2003, 2004, 2005, 2006 and 2007. Chapter 13. Management and Organization. When evaluating the management team include the following. Principals. Key employees. Board of Directors. Advisory Committee. Consultants. Compensation and incentives. Some of the incentives include salary, bonuses, commissions, cash given based on a percentage of sales made, profit sharing, equity, stock in a company, which gives the employee a direct financial stake in the overall performance in the business. Stock options. Ability to buy stock at a future date at a currently set price. Key employees. Other managers to evaluate in your business plan include President or CEO, Chief Operating Officer, COO, Chief Financial Officer, CFO, Marketing or Sales Director, Production Manager, Human Resources Director, Chief Technology Officer, CTO. Management style. The 5 most important elements of your management style are clear policies, communication, employee recognition, employees' ability to affect change, fairness. Prepare the staffing and professional services budgets. Enter the actual or anticipated expenses for staff and consultants in each time period. If using the electronic financial worksheets, the benefits line will automatically be calculated by the amount entered in the setup worksheet. If using the electronic financial worksheets, costs will automatically be entered on your income statement and cash flow worksheets. On-screen sample Excel worksheet shows the staffing budget for the year 2003. On-screen sample Excel worksheet shows the professional services for the year 2003, 2004, 2005, 2006, and 2007. Chapter 14. Community Involvement and Social Responsibility. Company benefits in community involvement and social responsibility. Visibility gives your company increased visibility in the community and your industry. Positive corporate image. Being seen as a good corporate citizen helps foster positive feelings about your company in the community and by potential customers, employees, and others. Recruitment tool. Aids you company's effectiveness in attracting employees. Stronger team. Having shared values and shared activities helps develop cohesiveness and commitment among all your employees and management. Greater employee satisfaction. Connect with other companies. Gives you valuable contacts with potential strategic partners, customers, and suppliers. Corporate citizenship. Aspects of being a good corporate citizen include: obey the law, act ethically, treat employees fairly, honesty and fairness in dealings, environmentally aware, community involvement.